I am back at Laguna Seca. Am I tracking my S4? Nope, my S4 is not hitting the track today. I'm actually here to drive this, a 1989 BMW 325i, also known as an E30. So why am I driving this car and not my S4? Because I, along with a team of drivers, are going to be racing in an upcoming Lucky Dog endurance race here at Laguna Seca. You're watching Midlife Mods. Now, I've already started testing the car at Willow Springs, and I'll be obviously testing it here at Laguna Seca today in preparation for what's gonna be a 2-day endurance race. Now, this is all possible thanks to Oliver from Warhammer Motorsport. What's up, Oliver?
How's it going, man? You ready to race?
I think so. I hope so. Let's do this. I invite you to come along for the ride. But by the way, racing isn't cheap. So if you want to support my content on Midlife Mods, then head to my merchandise page, link in the channel description, and help support content like this by purchasing some original Midlife Mods merch. Now, it has been raining quite a bit out here, so it's gonna be pretty slippery out there. That should make for some good track content though. Now, as far as lap times are concerned, I have no idea what to expect. I've only driven this car once at Willow Springs. This will be my first time here at Laguna Seca. So my expectations for lap times are really low. It's gonna be easy to beat low expectations, I hope. We'll find out. It's gonna be pretty slippery out there. That should make for some good track content though. Yeah, I went into the tires. That sucked. The car is still running fine. The bumper got a little jacked up and the alignment is a little bit off. So yeah, leave it to me to put the car in the tires first session. Whoops. Anthony is one of our team drivers. He's gonna go out right now. The sun has finally shown itself, so hopefully Anthony will have a dry track out there, get some better times. It's been really slippery. The rain finally stopped, the track dried up. I was able to take the car out there and get some decent lap times. Anthony's taking it out right now. It's a beautiful day at Laguna Seca, except I had to pay $329 to fix the tire barrier that I smashed into. I mean, really? Anyway, that kind of put a damper on my day. So I'm calling it quits for the day. I'll be back here in a couple of weeks for the Lucky Dog Challenge. See you then.